During the construction of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge, the deck would shake so badly that the construction workers were known to chew on lemon wedges in order to combat the nausea they were feeling. Even after its opening in July of 1940, it continued to shake, earning it the nickname Galloping Gertie. The Tacoma Narrows Bridge was built to pass over the Puget Sound, connecting the city of Tacoma with the Kitsap Peninsula. Galloping Gertie was built by a man named Leon Moisseiff, who was the foremost respected designer of building bridges at that time. He earned the ability to design the bridge with a low bid of $6.4 million. This is one of the reasons of a few that contributed to the collapse of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge. Next, I will discuss the other reasons that contributed to the collapse of Galloping Gertie. One of the main reasons was that the engineers just did not understand the aerodynamic forces of the wind and the effects it had on the bridge itself. The bridge was built without holes running through the support beams, which did not allow the wind to flow through. So the wind just slapped up against each side of the bridge instead of flowing through, allowing for movement of the bridge. Also, the inexpensive use of materials directly led to the support beams breaking down and collapsing into the water. So basically, it was inexpensive materials and a lack of understanding of the wind's effect on the bridge that led to its collapse. Next, I will discuss the actual collapse. The day of the collapse came on November 7, 1940, which was a Thursday morning. The wind began to blow at about 7:30 a.m., making the bridge's deck move at 45-degree angles. As you can see here in this picture by James Bashford posted on the Harbor History Museum website, the bridge is tilted to the side instead of being flat on the ground. You can see the bow of the foundation of the bridge going like this. So basically the bridge did this as the wind blew. At about 10 o'clock, the Washington Department of Transportation closed the bridge down. Only one man was caught on the bridge, as you can see here, as it was breaking down. Thankfully, he got off. His dog was not so lucky. Even though the collapse of the bridge could be considered a failure, it also led to more knowledge of how bridges should be built thereafter. New protocols put in place were that any bridge built with federal funds had to be designed and tested in a 3D structured environment called wind tunnels. They were also all to have reinforced holes underneath the foundation for the wind to flow through. Today, as I learned in a show called Mysteries of the Museum, see a 600-pound piece of rock in the Washington State History Museum of the bridge and its collapse. The bridge was rebuilt in 1950, and they named the new bridge Sturdy Gertie. So I am thankful that all bridges are now built much safer for us to pass over.